Hello everyone, I'm Shwetank and I'm going to take you through this course for Android programming. I had two questions in my mind. Why should one learn Android and how should they learn Android? So I'm going to answer those two questions because I figured it out after years of coding experience that first things first, you get to learn a lot if you program in Android. Android is one of the best ways to enhance your coding skills. If you do Android coding, you definitely get to learn Java. You also improve your XML skills. And the most important thing is that as a programmer, you can look into any problem to find out what exactly the solution will look like when you look at it on a mobile screen. So it gives you an overall understanding of a problem and how to solve it in the best possible way. Another reason is definitely the market share that Android holds right now. The market share is huge. I did some search on Google and I found out that in the last quarter reported around 85% of smartphones users are having Android on their phones. So learning Android definitely has a lot of incentive for a coder, and it's important that you learn Android because Android is everywhere. I will now just show you this. I wanted to show you this graph which basically talks about what all Android is doing. So if you look at this line, it clearly shows that 85% of people have got Android on their phones. This is Q2 2016 data. So good enough a reason to learn Android, and that's it. Now, what is there to learn, or how do we learn this, right? So first I'll answer the question, what is there to learn? And what is there is, there are two things which are very important, Java and XML. Java is basically what is it that actually makes things happen, whatever you design on your screen. And XML takes care of whatever the layout that you want to show, or what is it that you want to show on your screen is what XML takes care of. There is this blue background in the XML, and I put it there because it's important for you guys to understand that material design is, there is a new thing which has come up, which basically talks about design as a utility. Can I utilize my designs to give a better experience to my users? Designs are no more about having flashy screens or making people believe in your app just because you have made a swanky app. These are more about can your design make a user use your app in an efficient way, right? So we will also be discussing material design as we go forward in advanced courses. Now, the course methodology that we will be taking here is that there are two things which we will be taking care of. First one is understanding the concept, which is of course very important. Whatever is going to be there in our mobile app, the concept behind it has to be understood. And of course, we will be practicing a couple of examples for every concept so as to get a better grip of the concept. So without any further delay, let's move on to our first lecture and start exploring the world of Android. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.